Well, my son and I, we have a little car dealership together, and
Okay.
so I spend most of my days there. And,
Right.
don't do much with Uber until late in the afternoon or early in the morning.
Where you located at?
We're located out on 231 here.
231? Okay.
On your way to Murfreesboro. Let me
Right.
give you his card. Here.
I'm looking for a car actually.
Good.
I surely am.
Make a left turn on Maddox Simpson
Well,
Parkway.
we've got plenty of them.
Yeah. The only thing I really, my credit, I'm working on my credit. It's like 4 something. Money's definitely there. Job's good.
Been on your job a while?
Yeah, I've been on this job for 15 months.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, he can work with that.
Yeah.
He,
And I'll definitely have a down payment.
You got an idea what kind of car you want?
I'm actually looking for an SUV. We got 7 kids.
Oh.
Yeah, and with our oldest just moved in. She's 8, but she's 21.
Right.
1 mile, make a left
I got a
turn.
car. I mean, some good cars. I just got to burp the radiator.
Right.
Because I changed the thermostat out and stuff. But
Sure.
it's time for me to get a SUV or something anyway, and I
Right.
can give that to my oldest child.
Right.
So yeah,
Yeah,
probably something like that, 3rd row seat.
we do a lot of crossovers. 3rd row seats are good for us. We got a couple now.
Okay.
Yeah, there's always a big market for the 3rd row seats.
Yeah, it works out for us with our troop.
So you're leaving out in the morning?
Nah, I'm leaving out at 7 tonight. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we head down my route. We leave out 3 days a week. Come back about 20 hours later.
Right.
Jackson, Mississippi, around through there. Meridian, Mississippi. I love it, man. This is my job.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere. They love me because I'm always there when they need
Yeah.
me. They
So
know.
now, will you stay in your truck here tonight?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, we'll leave out. I did a
Make a
route
left turn.
earlier, so I got to rest for 10 hours, but I'll be in the bunk.
Right.
My partner, he'll drive out. We'll get down there, knock out a little 5 stops, and then I'll drive back.
Right. This is where we're going,
Yeah,
right?
whatever
We're going-
trucks.
Yeah.
That's one of our trucks pulling in.
Okay, good.
This is your son's car?
That's my son's
Okay.
card, and he can work miracles on that financing.
left
He
turn.
gets people in the 4s all the time.
Yeah. Do y'all report to the credit bureau?
Oh yeah.